So for the past 24 hours, the Maverick been surfing the local football spectrum, trying to find a storyteller or a historian to find a better game of local football in terms of excitement, spectacle, drama, and the quality of the goals than that second leg quarter-final between Dunbeholden and Cavalier at Sabina Park last night. The storyteller and the historian them struggle. They found some games from back in the days. Harborview, Boys Town, Port Morant, Seba, Boys Town, Seba, all had their moments, but none of them had anything close to the quality of the goals in this Dunbeholden Cavalier game. There were 7 goals in that game. 6 were exceptional, and the other one was awesome. Not to mention the variety of the goals. Long-range strikes, curlers, passing movement, interchanging, team goals, breakaway, one-on-one finishes, and not one of them was the goalkeeper's fault, which speaks to the exquisite quality of the offensive execution. And by the way, Dunbeholden prevailed on penalties and will play Harborview in the grand finale on Sunday. Yes, that is just by the way.